My dear students, let me welcome you for another interesting and joyful session, because we are learning skills. And if while learning by doing and learning by experiencing, joy is part of the game, I'm sure the skill can be learned faster and quicker. सेल्फ अवेयरनेस के पर्सपेक्टिव में हमने जो मॉडल इस किताब से लर्न किया, उसमें हम वैल्यूज के बारे में डिस्कशन कर चुके हैं. पहला कंपोनेंट, द वन ऑफ द एरिया ऑफ सेल्फ अवेयरनेस, व्हाट मेक्स ए पर्सन intellectually and emotionally and physically and structurally and spiritually stronger, is that when and how and why answers are answered by a person, that what are his personal standards and what are the way he make his moral judgments, values. Second component, when we are talking about self-awareness, is how do we process and acquire the information from the environment, from ourselves, within ourselves, outside of ourselves. What is the style, my dear students? Style. And remember, style is different for all of us. Female style is different, so is male. And that is what we like to learn now. What are the learning styles? Which style is the one which you are using? Let's find out. And what are the different styles which are available? So knowing how you acquire, process, evaluate, interpret the information, what is the better way, better style for you? It may be different for you than me. So speaking of the learning styles, of course, we need to learn from the learning theories, psychology and sociology, mostly sociology. And at the same time, we should have a respect that if someone else is learning with a different style, then we need to have patience enough to accommodate him or her, to make him learn in his preferred way of learning. So in other words, it's a time for skill learning. Well, so if we are learning the styles, it means this is an individual's inclination to perceive. Remember perception हमने पढ़ी थी, वो भी पढ़ी होगी आपने. It's an individual's inclination to perceive, और perception में हमने ये भी पढ़ा था कि you think it's reality, maybe it's not reality. And then it's an individual's inclination to interpret and respond to information in a certain way. Perception, interpretation, and response. So in other words, sensing and responding. That's what we like to learn now. How do you sense and how do you respond? And the person next to you, the person sitting in your office, the person walking in your team, the person in your group, the person in the market, he or she may have a different way of interpreting it, a different way of sensing it, and different way of responding. And once we know all this spectrum, that how these patterns are different, how these styles are different, we will be more effective manager. यही पर्पस है ना मैनेजमेंट स्किल का. One size will not fit all. One recipe will not work for all of us. And we need to learn that recipe which gives you strength may not be the same which I will like it. So I have to be aware what are the different recipes for acquiring information, interpreting information, responding to the information, which we learn from the learning theories. ठीक है, आपका स्टाइल डिफरेंट होगा, आपके साथ बैठे हुए दूसरे स्टूडेंट का स्टाइल डिफरेंट. तो अगर आपने उसको कोई चीज समझानी है, तो जब बाज़ लोग कह रहे हैं मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा, मुझे नजर नहीं आ रहा, वो यही प्रॉब्लम होता है. वो किसी और एंगल से उस तस्वीर को, उन अल्फाज को, उस लेक्चर को सुन रहे होते हैं, आप किसी और अल्फाज, यानी उसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी कुछ और होती है, आपकी फ्रीक्वेंसी कुछ और होती है. और जब फ्रीक्वेंसी मैच नहीं करेगी, सिग्नल पास नहीं होगा. एज सिंपल एज दैट. सो वी नीड टू लर्न, is this customer talking through feeling? Is this customer talking through thinking? Is this customer talking through doing? मैंने 3 बातें कह दी हैं. He is talking. She is talking. Is she talking from heart? Is she talking from mind? Is she talking through hands? और अगर आप उसी फ्रीक्वेंसी पर उसको जवाब दें, message will pass on loud and clear. It will be a win-win situation. प्रॉब्लम टारगेट्स मीट करने में, गोल्स अटेन करने में उसी वक्त होता है जब मैसेज ही क्लियर नहीं है, हमें मालूम ही नहीं आप चाहते क्या हैं. So let us learn then what are the different styles, what are the learning choices. And once again, we call it ABC of learning. ABC of learning. 3 choices, 3 styles, 3 way of learning by individuals. Number 1, learning through cognition, learning through knowledge, learning through books, through browsers, through websites, through manuals. Learning to know. I want to know. I want to know where it is written. I want to know where it's present in the policy. I want to know when it was implemented. I want to know when the price was changed. No. So you should immediately bring to your mind, this person is talking through cognitive domain. सेल्फ अवेयरनेस की बात हो रही है. और फिर मुझे भी मालूम होना चाहिए, what is my preferred way of learning? Do I learn through cognitive domain? Do I learn through psychomotor domain? Do I learn through effective domain? Preferred. हो सकता है मैं तीनों में ही लर्न करता हूं, लेकिन बेहतर तो यही होगा. लेकिन what is the preferred way? Preferred way means maybe 70-80% of the time you learn through that domain. And of course, other domains are also. So, dominant style आपका वो कहलाएगा जिसमें आप 70-80% of the time learn कर रहे हो. इसी तरह से when somebody, maybe your colleague, maybe subordinate, maybe customer, maybe boss, is talking 70 and 80% of the time through that domain, and once you know which domain through his talking, and now you know that these are different domains. And we are learning how to be effective manager. And what is effective manager? Who is effective manager? Who knows how to get work done with the help of others, through the help of others, through people. And that's what we are learning here. People learn differently. दूसरा choice क्या है? Learning by doing. Behavioral domain. Psychomotor, behavioral domain. Learning through action. Action-based learning. और तीसरा choice क्या है? Learning to live together. Effective domain. Not effective, effective. A for effective, B for behavioral, C for cognitive. ABC of learning. So in other words, I need to know myself. Self-awareness है ना? I need to know myself. What is my preferred domain of learning. Learning makes me able. Learning makes me experienced. Learning makes me wiser. Learning improves my performance. That's why I like to know. I personally want to know self-awareness. What is my preferred domain? In other words, we will go through a measurement instrument, answer certain statements, finding out what is your preferred domain of learning. Are you ready then? Well, this means now we have time to give you that you go for the instrument to assess your skill. Here we are, finding out the learning style. I'm sure many of you must have filled it, answered it, and you are ready to learn the interpretation. If not, let me go quickly through and you can answer statement by statement, because these are the behaviors you engage. You answer how you typically behave most of the time, on most days, with most people. And on a scale of 1 to 5, 1 is that you never use this way of dealing with people. And 5 means almost always you go and engage in this behavior. So scale of 1 to 5, choose the number which applies to you for that statement. Some of you may have answered it already and have the score. And those who have not, please do it now. So we learn what is your preferred learning style. Number 1, I develop cooperative relationships among people I work with. 1 to 5 ka scale hai. I develop cooperative relationships among people I work with. Number 2, I seek out challenging opportunities that test my own skills and abilities. Number 3, I challenge people to try out new and innovative approaches to their work. Number 4, I praise people for a job well done. Number 5, I set a personal example of what I expect from others. Number 6, I search outside the formal boundaries of my organization for innovative ways to improve what we do. Number 7, I make it a point to let people know about my confidence in their abilities. Number 8, I actively listen to diverse point of views. Scale of 1 to 5. अगर आप हमेशा actively listen करते हैं तो अपने आप को 5 दीजिएगा. अगर आप कभी नहीं listen करते या कभी-कभी करते हैं तो 1 point. Number 9, I ask, what can we learn when things do not go as expected? I ask. Number 10, I appeal to others to share an exciting dream of the future. Number 11, I follow through on the promises and commitments that I make. Number 12, I'm contagiously enthusiastic, highly enthusiastic and positive about future possibilities. Number 13, I treat others with dignity and respect. Number 14, I'm clear about my philosophy of leadership. Number 15, I make certain that we set achievable goals, make concrete plans, and establish measurable milestones for the projects and programs that we work on. So these are 15 statements. आपने जो स्कोर दिया है हर स्टेटमेंट का, उस स्कोर को नीचे ले आइए. स्कोरिंग कीजिए. स्कोरिंग तो आपने ऑलरेडी कर दी है. उस स्कोर को नीचे ले आइए. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15 स्टेटमेंट का स्कोर नीचे आ जाएगा. उसका टोटल कर दीजिए. जिस कॉलम का टोटल हाई है, 3 कॉलम्स हैं ना आपके पास, ABC. इफेक्टिव का कॉलम है, बिहेवियरल का कॉलम है, कॉग्निटिव का कॉलम है. हर कॉलम में 5 स्टेटमेंट्स का स्कोर मौजूद है. See which one is the highest. उसको सर्कल कर दीजिए. This is your preferred way of learning. You want to go even deeper into it? Look at that statement, go back and read. For example, statement number 13. Statement number 13 says, I treat others with dignity and respect. Effective. You feel about others. You respect others. Effective. Respect comes from heart. You have place in your heart for others. You feel hurt when you are not respectful to others. Look at behavioral column, please. Statement number 11, for example. I follow through on the promises and commitments that I make. I follow through. I make sure कि मैंने आपको अपने अल्फाज दिए हैं, जिसको उर्दू में कहते हैं ना, मैंने आपको जुबान दे दी है. तो जो मैंने जुबान दे दी, now I will stick to it. Behavioral. I will lead by walking and let my walk make the talk. Action. Action through hands. Body action होगा ना. Action through hands. Action through your words. Action through your walking. जुबान दे दी है मैंने. Monday morning, 8 o'clock, you will get it. You will get it. So in other words, this is your preferred way of doing things. तीसरा column जो है वो cognitive है. Please notice statement number 12. I'm highly enthusiastic. यानी statement number 12 जो है वो cognitive domain में है. I'm highly contagiously enthusiastic and positive about future possibilities. So in other words, I would like to know, what are those possibilities? Where can I go? How we can have a 20% growth? I would like to know, how can we have a 20% growth? I would like to learn, how can we open up to the new market? Cognition. So all these statements, indirectly, which you have already given a score, is giving you a total. अच्छा, अब इसका मतलब, जैसे मैंने शुरू में भी कहा था, ये नहीं है कि if this is your preferred style, you cannot go to other styles as well. Better it is that you can use all your 6 senses. 5 senses तो हमें यूज करनी ही है. बाज़ औक़ात हम वो भी नहीं करते. लेकिन can you develop your 6 senses as well? दिल को दिल से राह होती है. दिल है तो राह होगी ना. लेकिन अगर दिल से कोई रास्ता निकल ही नहीं रहा, या दिल के अंदर हमने कोई मोटरवे बनाया ही नहीं किसी के लिए, तो फिर इफेक्टिव डोमेन तो क्लोज है. कोई इसमें प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. All what we are learning here is that if this is not your preferred way of learning, what is other? Is it cognitive? Is it behavioral? But whatever it is, please keep in mind that the people you will be working in the teams and the groups and the offices, they are different. Now, if you learn through cognitive domain and I learn through effective domain, there will be a little complication and difficulty in getting the point across. I care about the company and I care about the employees. I'm a task focus as well as people focus. When I talk to a person who is only task focus, he doesn't care about the people. I want the work done. I don't care what happens to you. So immediately you should make an analysis that you're dealing with a person who is highly task focused. He won't care whether you are feeling cold. He won't care whether your son or your daughter or your brother or your sister is sick at home. He's task focused. And when somebody is task focused, please communicate to him or her through that language. लेकिन पहले पता तो चले ना इसलिए कि अगर आप इफेक्टिव डोमेन में, जी वो देखिए ना, सुबह मुझे स्कूल बच्चे को छोड़ना था तो मैं लेट हो गया, मेरा भाई जो है वो घर में बीमार था, he doesn't care about that. So when he doesn't care, people are different. So you have to speak in that language which the language can be understood. ये लैंग्वेज ऑफ मैनेजमेंट है ना जी. और अगर आप टर्की में जाके उर्दू बोलने लगेंगे, चाहे वो आपका दोस्त ही है, वो तो नहीं समझेगा. तो दोस्ती की लैंग्वेज वही होगी जो दोस्त बोलता है. If the customer is friendly and you are also customer friendly, and customer is touching the seats of the poshish of the car or the sofa, immediately get an answer. Perceive that he is a person who touch and feel and then make the decision. And if you can show him the way he wants or she wants, you will close this sale. And when the sale is closed, revenue will come in, people will give you higher respect and reward. That is what management skill is. You will be promoted faster than others. तो इस इंस्ट्रूमेंट की बेस पर अपना प्रेफर्ड लर्निंग स्टाइल नोट कीजिए, और यह भी नोट कीजिए कि जो आपका स्टाइल है वो जरूरी नहीं कि दूसरों का हो. और हम ये भी नहीं कह रहे हैं कि एक स्टाइल दूसरे से बेहतर है. नो, all styles are there. People are different. Sometime you will find, for example, I'm task focused as well as people focused. In other words, you will say that I'm more into effective and behavioral. But then I always say I'll go to learn new skills. So maybe I'll also work into the cognitive domain. But not everybody. It comes with experience. So all what we are learning here is, what is your score? Number one, where I am. And if this is not working for me, now that's important. If this is your learning and the kind of job and the office you are working in, हमेशा कंप्लेंट ही होती है आपके बारे में, हमेशा आपके कोलीग्स खुश नहीं हैं आपसे, हमेशा आप टारगेट्स मीट करने में पीछे हैं. प्लीज लर्न इफ यू हैव टू स्विच योर लर्निंग स्टाइल. इसलिए कि उस वोकेशन की, उस जॉब की भी कोई रिक्वायरमेंट हो सकती है. मतलब बीइंग ए प्रोफेसर, आई हैव टू वर्क इन ऑल थ्री डोमेन्स. आई हैव टू रीड बुक्स, आई हैव टू फाइंड आउट न्यू लिटरेचर. रिमेंबर मैंने कहा था, मैंने पिछले हफ्ते ये रिसर्च आर्टिकल पढ़ा. I want to know. I want to learn by reading articles. फिर I'm dealing with students. Students in the class, students in the camera, virtually. I have to keep you and your respect intact. And then through my actions, through my body language, through my eye contact, I have to make sure that you listen to me. Isn't that true? So maybe when you reach at my age, you will using all three. But right now, please notice, whatever your preferred learning style is it helping you in the job? If it's helping, good. If not, make an improvement plan. Switch. IT companies. For example, IT companies. Better it is if you are in cognitive domain. Customer relationing. Better it is if you are in effective domain. अगर कहीं पॉलिसी भी थोड़ी सी चेंज करनी पड़े कस्टमर को खुश करने के लिए, कस्टमर को लॉयल बनाने के लिए, टॉक टू द मैनेजर, चेंज इट. इफेक्टिव. अगर आप सेल्स में हैं, सेल्स के लिए एक्शन जरूरी है. बिहेवियरल डोमेन, यू लर्न थ्रू एक्शन. So this means now you know the learning styles are different. And once all these three learning styles are familiar to you now, let's find out why it is important. Why this skill is important. Why learning makes you aware of yourself, your strengths, your weaknesses, your opportunities, and at the same time, the strengths and the weaknesses and the opportunities and the threats. देखिए ना, ये threat ही है ना. You want to learn in cognitive, I'm speaking in effective. You don't understand what I'm saying. I don't understand what you're saying. So when the message is not clear, it's a lose-lose situation. मैं ये कहूंगा कि मैं इतना एक्सपीरियंस्ड हूं, आप मेरी बात ही नहीं सुन रहे हैं. आप कहते हैं कि मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा, कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर नहीं है आपका. जब वो कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर नहीं होता ना, एक्चुअली वो सेल्फ कॉन्सेप्ट के अंदर और सेल्फ अवेयरनेस के अंदर लर्निंग का प्रॉब्लम. आई वॉन्ट टू सी. मैं बोल रहा हूं, आपको कुछ दिखाई नहीं रहा. आई वॉन्ट टू लर्न बाय डूइंग. मैं आपको कुछ बिहेवियर से शो ही नहीं कर रहा कि ये काम ऐसे नहीं ऐसे होता है. मैं तभी ये कहता हूं कि नहीं, इंस्ट्रूमेंट मौजूद है, मेजर कर लीजिए, आइए फिर मिल बैठकर इसको समझते हैं और फिर अपने कुलीग से डिस्कस कीजिए, डायलॉग कीजिए, क्यों डिफरेंट है. अच्छा, आप किस जॉब में हैं? डायलॉग इसी का नाम है ना. किस जॉब में हैं? इज इट वर्किंग यू फॉर यू? इज इट हेल्पिंग यू? जिस बिजनेस के फंक्शन में आप हैं, कितने सालों में कितनी प्रमोशन आपको मिली, कितने इंक्रीमेंट्स मिले? मैनेजमेंट स्किल शुड हैव ए रिलेशनशिप with your income, with your benefits, with your reward. तभी तो हम मैनेजमेंट स्किल लर्न कर रहे हैं. It must be able to take you higher, faster. तो my dear students, इसकी स्किल की, लर्निंग स्किल और स्टाइल की इंपॉर्टेंस को समझते हुए, let us learn from Professor Peter Sanjay. He has floated the concept of learning organization. He says, organization will only learn when people will learn. And now we know people learn differently. According to Professor Peter Sanjay, learning cycle through which every person should go through. Learning is the outcome. But to reach that outcome, one should go through a process of 4 quadrants. पहला क्वाड्रेंट क्या है? रिफ्लेक्टिंग. जब मैंने कहा लेट्स लर्न अबाउट लर्निंग स्टाइल्स, यू रिफ्लेक्ट. सिट डाउन फॉर अ मिनट. इसीलिए हम कहते हैं, जब मैं कहता हूं टाइम फॉर, तो यू कैन हैव अ पॉज, रिफ्लेक्ट, गो इनटू इमेजिनेशन. रिफ्लेक्शन इज ए एक्टिविटी विच इज रिलेटेड विद लाइट. आप में से जो फिजिक्स के स्टूडेंट हो, उन्होंने लाइट की प्रॉपर्टी पढ़ी होगी, रिफ्लेक्शन और रिफ्रैक्शन, याद है जिन्होंने फिजिक्स पढ़ी है. ये जो साइंस के स्टूडेंट रहे, रिफ्लेक्शन इज व्हेन यू सी योर फेस थ्रू द मिरर. और ये मिरर टेस्ट है. आर यू कॉन्फिडेंट इन द मिरर व्हेन यू टॉक टू योरसेल्फ? Talk to yourself. Reflect that how you have spent the day. Was it worthwhile? You paid the price of this day by giving away one day of your life. What is the return on the investment? This day will not come back. Isn't that true? Reflect. What is the ROI? Imagine this day spent was a worthwhile spending. If you are happy, my dear student, that yes, मैंने ऑफिस का काम भी किया, फैमिली को भी टाइम दिया, दोस्तों के साथ भी गपशप लगाई, और किसी के काम भी आया, और फिर अल्लाह ताला को भी याद रखा. देखिए, वो भी कामों में से काम है. रिफ्लेक्ट. वैसे तो कहते हैं 5 मरतबा याद रखना चाहिए, लेकिन बाज़ औक़ात याद ही नहीं आता. दिन गुजर जाता है, हफ्ता गुजर जाता है, महीनों गुजर जाते हैं. कई लोग मुझे ऐसे मिलते हैं, मैं उनसे पूछता हूं, भाई ईद की नमाज पढ़ी? कहते नहीं जी, वो भी सोते ही रह गए. रिफ्लेक्ट. Reflect about your office, reflect about your job, reflect about your life, reflect about your family, reflect about the future of the country. Reflecting. When you will reflect, according to Professor Peter Senge, when you will reflect, actually you will be creator. Think about it. You are creating a new life. You are creating a new opportunity. You are creating a new arena. You are creating a new thought. You have learned to be better. जब आपने रिफ्लेक्ट किया कि आज मुझे टाइम नहीं मिला किसी दोस्त को कॉल करने का, जो बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट है, फिर मुझे यहां जापानी याद आते हैं. जापानीज वेरी गुड नेशन. आफ्टर सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर nobody thought they will become a world force. They've shown it. और फिर मैं इसीलिए बार बार पाकिस्तान की भी एग्जाम्पल देता हूं. Look at that 10 years old daughter of Pakistan. Didn't she become the world champion when she became a certified professional? तो रिफ्लेक्ट कीजिए कि पाकिस्तान के अंदर और पाकिस्तानियों के अंदर पोटेंशियल तो है. सो यू क्रिएट ए न्यू थॉट, ए न्यू पैटर्न, ए न्यू एवेन्यू. लर्निंग का दूसरा साइकिल ये है कनेक्टिंग. अच्छा, वो मैं जापानियों की बात बता रहा था, वो तो दरमियान में रह गई. जापानीज ये कहते हैं कि अगर आपने 3 दिन किसी अपने दोस्त को कॉल नहीं किया, दैट्स नॉट गुड, कॉल इट अगेन, कॉल हिम अगेन. द कम्युनिकेशन गैप should not go more than 3 days. हम लोग तो बाजुकात अपने भाइयों को, वालदैन को, बच्चों को हफ्तों हफ्तों महीने महीने कॉल नहीं करते. कल्चर है ना. लेट्स रिफ्लेक्ट. इफ इट्स वर्किंग फॉर यू, फाइन, आई हैव नथिंग टू से. हम अपने कस्टमर को कॉल ही नहीं करते. रिफ्लेक्ट कीजिए. इज इट ए हेल्थी साइन? लर्न करना है ना. हमें वो स्किल लर्न करनी है जो हेल्थी है, जो हमें मैनेजमेंट के अंदर हायर पोजीशन पे ले जाएगी. एंड व्हेन यू विल रिफ्लेक्ट, यू विल क्रिएट ए न्यू पैटर्न, ए न्यू रिपल ऑफ एक्शन, ए न्यू अपॉर्चुनिटी टू बी एक्सप्लोर्ड, ए न्यू आइलैंड ऑफ हैप्पीनेस. Connecting. Learning cycle का दूसरा quadrant, according to Professor Peter Senge, connecting. Can you connect the dots? Can you analyze? Can you put things together in a chain? Every piece of the chain, if it's a piece, no good. You put all those pieces in a cycle, it will be a chain. People will pay you the price. Can you connect in the best way possible? And can you analyze which connection is the best connection? इसलिए कि नेटवर्क की स्ट्रेंथ जो है वो उन पीसेस को कनेक्ट करने के अंदर होती है. और जब कनेक्शन सही ना हो, कभी स्पार्क होता है, कभी ब्लास्ट होता है, कभी दिल टूट जाता है. वो भी तो ब्लास्ट ही है ना. आंखों में से धुआं निकलता है, कानों में से धुआं निकलता है, और आंखों का धुआं जो है फिर वो आंसुओं की शक्ल में नजर भी आता है. बट स्टिल, कैन यू एनालाइज व्हाई डू यू सी दिस ड्रॉप्स ऑफ टीयर्स कमिंग इन द आईज ऑफ द कस्टमर? व्हाई दीज ड्रॉप्स आर कमिंग इन योर eyes of the colleague? Did you say something? Can you learn from it? या ये कि वो रोता ही रहा और आपको पता ही ना चल सका कि where did I go wrong? Analyzing it and connecting it. Third quadrant cycle is about deciding. We need action. Manager is to get work done. गोल अचीव्ड. प्रोजेक्ट हमेशा वो याद रखे जाते हैं जो कंप्लीट हो जाए. So you're not only designer, you're also a developer. Let the deal be complete. Sale जो complete ना हो, I'm sorry, it is not counted. So you make a decision, develop a plan, come up with strategies. Developing strategy is one part. But once you do it, you made a decision, here comes the fourth quadrant, doing it. You have planned, now implement the strategy. The profit will come. My dear students, according to Professor Peter Sanjay, when you are learning, make sure whatever your learning style is, इसलिए कि देखिए जो कॉग्निटिव डोमेन में होगा या इफेक्टिव डोमेन में होगा, उसको भी कहा जा रहा है कि वो रिफ्लेक्ट करे, देखे, सोचे, फ्यूचर में भी जाए, पास्ट में भी जाए, प्रेजेंट में तो वो मौजूद ही है, so that one can create better opportunities for himself, herself, for his family, for the company, and for the country, and why not for the globe. Let us also learn from another Professor Kolb, David Kolb, Professor Peter Sanjay of MIT, Professor David Kolb of another university, Case Western University, not Best Western, Case Western University in Ohio. And he's also a very well-known learning specialist. And he's talking that you also must learn through your experience, because that is your concrete experience. और जो experience कर लिया वो अब भूलेगा नहीं, और अगर अच्छा experience था तो maybe you would like to do it again. Second, learning by contemplating, by observing. Just sit down, observe what are the patterns. Just contemplate, just locate why this dot is there, why this ripple is there. Look at the data, look at the bar chart, look at the spikes, look at the data which is isolated. Observe what are the trends. साहिल पर बैठकर समुंदर की लहरों को देखना भी आंखों को अच्छा लगता है, उससे भी हैप्पीनेस आती है. और फिर अगर 14वीं की रात हो तो you can see the young potential of the sea, and you can feel warmness of those same tides which are coming to the shores. Learning by theorizing, abstract, philosophy. Philosophy तो होनी चाहिए. Philosophy is the mother of all branches of knowing and knowledge. Logically, theorizing means now you become rational, logical. If then else, logical. And this is a linear relationship. Can there be a cyclic relationship? Learning by theorizing. But of course, the fourth quadrant, also according to David Kolb, Professor David Kolb, is learning by doing. तो देखिए मिलती जुलती चीजें हैं. वहां पर भी लर्निंग बाय डूइंग था, यहां पर भी लर्निंग बाय डूइंग है, लेकिन यहां लर्निंग बाय एक्सपीरियंस है. वहां देखिए इससे मिलती जुलती क्या चीज थी. यहां लर्निंग थ्रू ऑब्जर्वेशन है और लर्निंग थ्रू थ्योराइजिंग है. लर्निंग थ्रू थ्योराइजिंग है और लर्निंग थ्रू थ्योराइजिंग इज नॉट द सेम थिंग एज वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट रिफ्लेक्शन. यू फिलोसॉफिकली यू बिकम ए फिलोसफर. और फिलोसफर जो है वो ये होता है जो सोच रहा होता है, रिफ्लेक्ट कर रहा होता है. वो आसमान तक पहुंच जाता है, बल्कि 7वें आसमान तक चला जाता है और फिर वापस आ जाता है विद इन फ्रैक्शन ऑफ सेकंड. You can go back into your thoughts, you can go into the future through reflection. So these are the different ways of learning, how we can learn better, how we can analyze better, how can we converge on certain things, how can we diverge from certain things. Converge is when you make a change. You connect the pieces together. Diverge is that when you have a divergent opinions. So you must have all these different skills. Having these different learning skills will make you, number one, stronger inside. देखिए ना, हदीस भी है, मन अरफ़ नफ्सहु फ़क़द अरफ़ रब्बहु. You want to learn about your creator, about God, about Allah? First learn about yourself. The one who knows about himself or herself would find out God is there. That's what we learned from Professor Peter Senge and Professor David Cole. So after learning then, developing our self-awareness, we move on to the third area, which is now where the people will start coming into your life. Because we cannot live alone. So far, values, it was your personal values. Learnings, it was your personal learning. Now we come to the third component of self-awareness. We have a need that we want to live with people. We came in this world, we were with people. We were with the mother and father. We went to school, we were with other people, with our class fellows. We came to university, we are with our class fellows. And we keep these memories with ourselves. We went to the office, now here we are working with the colleagues. So in other words, interpersonal needs, what are that? Why it's important? And how do I determine preferences and interaction patterns when I'm dealing with others? Number one, I should know, how do I react and interact with others? I must know. What is my preferred way of reacting and interacting? And number two, what are the other ways people may react and interact to a situation, to an information, to an issue, to a problem, to a strategy, to a policy, to a process, to the benefit which you gave or the salary you gave? How do people react and interact at the interpersonal level? And knowing this will also make you stronger, and you will be able to deal with other people in a better way. So after self-management, now we are coming into social management. How do we relate to the others? But before we relate to the others, how do I relate to myself? I should know that. Okay? Are you ready then? So in other words, it's a time now we learn a new skill, which is a component of self-awareness. And what is that? I want to know about my personality before I know the personality of the others. I want to know what is the pattern of reaction and interaction of me before I know how I react with the others, how I relate with the others, how do I develop relationship with the others. My dear students, ladies and gentlemen, पर्सनैलिटी क्या डेफिनेशन होगी इसकी? ये वो डब्बा है जिसको मैं और आप लिए फिरते हैं. इसके थ्रू हम दूसरों से कनेक्ट होते हैं. इसके थ्रू हम लोगों को अट्रैक्ट करते हैं और अट्रैक्ट होते हैं. इसके थ्रू हम रिस्पॉन्ड करते हैं. पर्सनैलिटी इज अ सम टोटल of all those ways and activities through which you and me react and interact with others, other objects, other companies, other people, other issues, other thoughts, other cultures, other foods. And by looking at this reaction, अच्छा फिर एक और चीज यहां पर, once again comes the physics. For every action Remember the third law of motion? For every action, there is always an opposite and equal reaction. Action or reaction, interaction हो गया ना. लेकिन knowing about this personality, it's a very important part of self-awareness. Number one, what type of personality do I have? And what type of personality I will meet with the other people in the office, in the market. They will not be of my type. And if they are not of my type, how do I behave with them? That I behave in a successful way and an effective way. That I will be called an effective manager. So in other words, knowing the personality of myself and knowing the personality of the others is very important component of self-awareness. अच्छा फिर हम, when we look at the personality theories, we come to know that it has three components. One component comes from heredity, which family we come from, which area we come from. Heredity, और फिर environment, which country we belong to. Is it a cold country or is it a hot country? And that reminds me, when I went first to the United States in 1973, there was an American student. We were studying together. And when we sort of became friends in the first semester, I invited him. I said, Marty, can you come to I was living in the residence, graduate hall. I said, can you come to my hall? I'll cook something for you. He said, okay. He came on weekend and I cooked some chicken. वो चिकन तो कैसी पकी उसका तो मुझे नहीं अंदाजा, लेकिन अब उसमें जो मैंने स्पाइसेस डाली, खास तौर पे लाल मिर्च डाली, वो तो मैंने पाकिस्तानी जिस तरह से खाते हैं, हालांकि मेरा ख्याल है मैं बहुत कम ही खाता हूं, लेकिन ये है कि वो जितनी कम भी मिकदार मैंने उसमें इस्तेमाल की. And when he came and he just took the first bite, I still remember that first bite, when he took, I can see the redness on his face. चेहरा ऐसा रेड हो गया कि जैसे पता नहीं क्या उसने खा लिया. Then I realized, oh, they never use these red spices. They probably never use any spice. Of course, this environment should be able to tell you something, because this is a reaction to that particular cooking which we had. This is a reaction to that particular statement which you make. This is a reaction to a particular decision which you make. So in other words, my dear students, heredity is one factor, environment is the second factor, and situation is the third factor. Heredity we cannot change, because the information coming from father and mother, that is what is the information I have. Heredity cannot be changed. But environment and situation around me, around my office, I'm responsible for it. So we will learn what is my personality. How can I change it? देखिए, 1/3 तो change नहीं हो सकती, लेकिन 2/3 तो change हो सकती है. But knowing what my personality is, and then what are the different personalities other people have, it will give us a chance to make a decision about ourselves. That how do I know and know it better and know it stronger? Because this knowing about personality and the personality type, because this gives us, you and me, an enduring characteristic which describes your behavior. जैसे हम बाज़ वक़्त कहते हैं ना, ये राना साहब हैं, ये भट्ट साहब हैं, एंड इमीडिएटली आप कहते हैं ये शेख साहब हैं, ये चौधरी साहब हैं, सम कैरेक्टरिस्टिक कम्स टू योर माइंड, ये कैसी पर्सनैलिटी होगी? बट हियर वी लाइक टू लर्न एग्जैक्टली व्हाट टाइप ऑफ पर्सनैलिटी आई हैव. तो फिर वही स्किल लर्निंग होगी, स्किल असेसमेंट होगी. वेयर आई एम, व्हाट पर्सनैलिटी डू आई हैव, इज इट गिविंग मी कंफर्ट? इफ नॉट, कैन आई चेंज इट? Yes, it can be changed. You can make an improvement plan and see what other personality types are available to you. How can you? कैसे होगा? देखिए बड़ा सिंपल है. How can you react next time and interact next time if the same kind of situation or problem or person will come in your way? And proactively you will make a plan that this time I will not be. जैसे बाज़ औक़ात आप कहते हैं ना, ओह दोबारा अगर ऐसा मेरे साथ हुआ तो मैं ऐसा कभी नहीं करूंगा. That is what we are learning here. लेकिन सबसे पहले we need to learn what is my personality type, what is your personality type. You will go through an assessment and you will find out. But this is a third component of the self-awareness part, knowing this management skill and learning to make ourselves stronger so that this persona, or persona is a Greek word, this means this box which we carry. You see of me and I see of you. All of us has this box. So would you like to know more about this box? And how do you tick in this box? And how can you tick next time better, that people would like to talk to this box, people would like to keep this box, people would not like to throw this box. Thank you, and thank you very much, and I'll see you inshallah in the next session.